Good morning on this March 10th, I believe it is. Today's the 10th, March 10th. I'm sure my best friend in my first university, she was Pisces. I believe her birthday was March 10th. I miss her. We used to sing together all the time. And we'd stay up past midnight and we'd break night, singing. um, Singing, celebration. We're in the new time period. Um, Yesterday, another friend of mine captured an image of a dolphin. She lives in Florida, and shared that on Instagram. I shared it as well, um, because I remember the connection that I have with dolphins. See, dolphins are protectors. That's why I first got this tattoo. This was actually my very first tattoo that I got when I was 21 years old. Um, I'd been studying ancient Celtic practices, and okay, let's call it Wicca. Um, and I came across, well, since I was 16 years old, I'd been studying Wiccan traditions and such, and I found that, in Celtic knowledge, essentially, that um, the dolphin is the symbol of the warrior. Um, Warrior of life and nature, warrior in terms of like protecting. Kind of like Ganesh is a protector. I see myself as a protector. I see myself as a warrior. I see myself as someone who's here to help protect and nurture. And that's what I offer the world.